Okay, so pakinggan natin to.
Sa truths lang tayo, di
Okay.
ba? Aminin mo, Nico, I'm pretty sure, Nico, wala kang girlfriend.
Una, hindi ko kailangang answeran yon. Bakit pag nalaman mo ba na wala akong girlfriend or meron akong girlfriend, liligawan mo ba ako? Number one, hindi ako interesado sa'yo. Kasi parehas tayo ng default settings. Pangalawa, kung ano yung nangyayari sa personal life ko, wala ka na doon. Hindi, Nico David, public figure ka, yes. Pero most of the things na ginagawa ko in my private time is not publicly posted. So kung meron man akong girlfriend, that's honestly none of your business. And second of all, hindi kita type. Okay? Kung ano yung uri mo, hindi ko pinapatulan yan. Kahit na ikaw na lang yung last na ganyan, I won't, okay? And even if ako, si Rodrigo Duterte, I think kung meron kaming pagkakasunduan ni Rodrigo Duterte, is that hindi ikaw yung aanuhin namin, okay? Sorry kasi ang lakas mo mag-trash talk eh. O, ito, trash talk pabalik. Dali lang naman yan sa akin.
Uy, mapagbigay naman ako dahil nangangailangan ka.
Una, hindi ako yung nanlilimos sa mga audience ko. 'Di ba? Pag nagla-live stream ako, kapag content lang, lapag tapos alis. Kung papanoorin mo, salamat. Ikaw, literal na nandyan yung PayPal mo. Nandyan yung mga number na yan, para manlimos dun sa mga DDS mong fans. So kung merong nangingailangan sa ating dalawa, most likely hindi ako yon. Of course, hindi ko naman i-deny na kumikita ako dito sa social media, but that is good enough for me. Okay? Kasi downfall na yan ni SAS. Kasi kita mo nung peak nung Unity, ginagawa niya, di ba, nag-guest siya dun sa mga SMNI, di ba? Tapos nag-host siya dun. Tinatanong niya si Bongbong Marcos. Ngayon, wala na sila sa limelight, di ba? Una, napakarami ng vloggers ngayon. So, yung ginagawa nila, yung political vloggers to be specific, hindi na masyadong putok tulad nung dati. Pangalawa, mas marami ng sikat sa kanya. Like for example, mas tinatangkilik ng nakakarami si Banat Bay kasi mas madaling intindihin yung sinasabi ni Banat Bay, di ba? Tuloy natin.
Dahil, I'm pretty sure if you're not gonna do it, you never have anything interesting in your life.
Pero hindi pa rin ako namamalimos. Like, on a daily basis. Kasi pag tinignan nyo yung mga live stream nila recently, nandyan yung email, nandyan yung GCash, gano'n. Hindi ako namamalimos. Yun yung iba sa atin. Well off ako sa buhay ko because of because of what I do in life outside of YouTube. Siguro hindi ako exciting katulad mo. Siyempre, very exciting yung buhay mo. Biro mo, dati kang lalaki, Alan yung pangalan mo dati. Tapos ngayon, naging SAS. So, for you to pretend every day to be a different person, something that you were not meant to be, kumbaga, rineject mo yung default settings mo eh. So, talagang commendable ka doon, idol. Hirap nun It's so hard to pretend someone you are not every day. Diba? Literally, quite literally.
And alam mo yun, na parang you depend on it.
Depend on what? Depend on social media? May kita rito, I will admit to that. Pero hindi ako para mag-stoop down na manlimos kagaya mo. Literally, nanlilimos kayo sa mga DDS nyong fans. So, ayan abuloy kay Jasper. So kung it's so ironic that this is the line of argumentation na gagamitin mo sa akin. Na kailangan na ako yung na dependent ako sa social media. Between you and me, it's you. Kasi ikaw namamalimos ka. Kasi sa social media naman, may AdSense naman yan. Ibig sabihin, kikita ka but just by the virtue of posting. O sa Meta rin, may ganon. Just post and then you will earn. Ganon. Pero if it's not enough, didiskarte ka pa ng pera, manghingi ka ng donations tulad ng ginagawa nila. So between you and me, you are more dependent on this than me. I don't care. I really don't. Kasi I'm very happy in my life right now. I am really happy kung sino ako. Of course, people hate me for whatever reason they have. I cannot control that. But okay ako. O kung may girlfriend man ako or wala, I'm still okay being myself. Unlike you. 'Di ba? Ayaw mo sa default settings mo. Tuloy natin.
And by the looks of it, you don't really look like someone who lives an interesting life outside the internet.
Okay lang naman maging boring eh. Pero, ang iba sa atin, I have accepted who I am. Have you accepted who you are? I guess not. Kasi you pretend to be a different person every day. You were born Alan and then you pretend that you're Sas. You are not Sas, you are Alan by default. Meaning to say, if tinanong ka ng gobyernong Pilipino kung sino ka, ang sasagot mo yung real name mo, which is Alan. 'Di ba? Kasi may jurisprudence na yan eh in relation sa gender ng isang tao. Hindi mo yun machi-change just because gusto mo. You can pretend that you are a girl, but you are not, okay? So, between you and me, I'm okay with being a boring male that has everything paid for. My bills are paid, I get to eat, my family gets to eat. 'Di ba? Yung mga anak ko, they are being provided for. So, I don't need you to tell me kung ano yung tama sa mali. Okay? Tuloy natin.
So, might as well give you that because they'll never know. You might unalive yourself because...
For what? For what reason? I'm very happy with my life. Alam mo ba yung ibig sabihin ng unalive na yon? Kasi that is, meron naman kasing symptoms yan bago yan mangyari. Kasi you can actually deduce someone who has that kind of tendency. It's not a laughing matter. It's not a joking matter. It's not something that you use for an argument to win, especially online. But I understand you're trying to hit me below the belt. 'Di ba? Kasi of course, people with balls always get hit below the belt. Yun yung ginagawa niya eh. Gustong-gusto mo yung below the belt na tirana. Well, I would assume that you do. Tuloy.
Intense loneliness because your real life.
Intense loneliness. Ikaw ba, may partner ka ba? I have not seen your partner. Your male partner. Kasi I'm always seeing you with Joey. And I think si Joey kasi friend mo siya, 'di ba? Hindi mo siya romantic partner, 'di ba? Meron kayong friendship na very platonic, 'di ba? Ganun yung relationship mo. Pero I've never seen you with a male partner. At saka between you and me, ako pwede pa ako magkaanak until kaya ko pa. Ikaw hindi ka na magkakaanak. Kasi wala ka namang matris eh. So, between being lonely, I guess mas susceptible ka doon. Kasi you will never have a family on your own. Even if napakagwapo nung lalaking kukunin mo dahil marami kang pantustos dun sa lalaki yun, you will never have a child on your own. Kailangan mo mag-adapt. Kawawa naman yung bata na yun na i-adapt mo. Tuloy natin.
Life is boring. So, anyway, so ganoon nga, Nico, kailangan, you have to be a real person.
Ano bang real person yung pinagsasasabi mo? This is a political discussion. It's of public matter. So why is it that I have to be a real person? Who cares? Public opinion yung hinihingi sa atin dalawa. Tuloy.
What is your real opinion in life? Kasi nga...
On what specific grounds? Liwanagin mo yung tanong ko. My life is pretty awesome. Okay? If you think my life is boring, then that's your opinion. Okay? Do you want details about my personal life? Then I refuse. I don't want to answer that. Personal life ko nga eh. Alangan namang sabihin ko sa ano ka, NBI. Ano to, background check. Diyos ko naman. It has nothing to do with political discussion, yung personal life natin. Learn to separate it. Tuloy.
Alam mo, pag kinausap ko talaga yung mga tao ng real opinion nila sa buhay, yung mga...
Paano ba yun? Ay, pare, ano ba yung totoong opinion mo sa buhay? Don't pretend, Paano mo malalaman yun? How do you determine that? Kasi opinion is a very subjective matter. Opinion nga siya eh. So, ano siya, hindi siya based on any kernel of truth. Kasi opinion eh, di ba? Your opinion can be fantastic, can be grounded on fantasy. It can also be grounded in reality.
Tunay na kakamping. So, dami kong kakamping sa kaibigan.
Oh, maybe I'm not kakamping. Siguro, some of the things na they identify, I also identify, pero not all, not everything. Di ba? Hindi naman kasi ko panatiko katulad nyo na DDS for life. Tuloy.
You don't, hindi mo kailangang maging agit.
Ano ba yung agit na yan? Ina-agitate? Ganun ba yon? No, I don't care. I don't care at all. Oh. Alam mo, napadaan lang ako dyan. Nakikinig ako sa kanila. Nagtatype ako. Binigyan nila ako ng hagdanan. Nalalag out ako. Ano gagawin ko? Alangan namang... I tried. I really tried. Lumipat pa ako ng ibang account. Kaso, nalalag out din. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ganun eh. Ano gagawin ko?
Kasi, alam mo kasing, they really just would like to exchange views.
Oh, yeah, exactly. Exactly that's what I was trying to do sa inyo. Pero what happened there? Binastos-bastos mo ko, ikaw. Hinanapan mo ako ng girlfriend. Bakit? Hindi kita nga type. I don't type you. I don't like you. And even if you're the last woman on earth, it's not gonna happen, Joe. Sorry.
Pero kasi, yung iba kasi, yung mga ganyan katulad ni Nico, kailangan nila mang-agit because that is the...
Agit? This is someone na siya yung nagsimula. Diyos ko, ang discussion ko dyan, sinabi ko lang na may talking points sila, dumakdak na ganyan. Anyway, I'm done with this. Gusto ko lang answeran tong part na to kasi nakakatawa naman talaga. Gaya mga lods.